Hi, this video is about generators in Python. Generators are a simple way of creating iterators. However, it uses yield keyword. Now what purpose it serves? Let's take an example. We are looking to search for a word Python in a text file that has, for example, 20 or more lines. And the word Python is in line 5, line 8, line 12. Now, if we use generator, what it does, it is going to find, it is an iterator, it is going to find the word Python in line 5 and it is going to stop there. When we are going to call back again that generator, it is going to start from line 6. Normally what a function does, it starts from again line 1. However, the generator has this unique feature. It starts from where it has left when it is called. Now, if the word Python in line 5 is not what we are looking for, we are going to call that generator function again, and it is going to start from line 6, and from at line 8 it is going to stop again. And similarly, if that is not the keyword of Python that we are looking for, it is going to continue moving forward, starting from where it had stopped. So this makes it very useful, and it produces the result very fast. Especially in memory intensive application where we are not looking to store the values, generator can be very useful. Now, have you heard about yield statement? Just a hint, it is very much related to generators. Yes, I think you have heard in the initial intro. It is a keyword used in generator. It tells Python engine what output to produce and stop. For example, we tell in the code of block in generator that if in a line the word Python is looked, it has to stop there, and it has to produce the output of that line. So how are we going to write it in the form of Python? We're going to start with yield and the line number or the line that will tell Python engine that it has to stop there. This ends our intro of Python generators. I hope you have got some idea of what a Python generator does. Moving forward, in our upcoming videos, we are going to discuss the definition of generator, the use case. One of the use cases we already discussed, but there are other use cases as well. How to create generators, examples, and there are many examples it includes. So there would be one simple example, then another example that is also simple, but it is an advanced version of the first example, and the third example that is a bit more complex. I hope you will love these videos. It will give you a clear idea of the generators and its overall functionality, its use cases, its example, and where to use it. It is although one of the advanced topic in Python. However, I'll try to make it as easy and as simple for you as possible. Thank you.